Assembly. Assemble clutch housing to speed housing using split dolly. Use of split dolly is important to avoid rubbing of shaft against seal leak and avoid leakages through seals. Apply Loctite 515 on joint faces of speed housing and clutch housing. Always clean housing from the inside with suitable solvent or thinner to remove the deposited carbon and dust. Insert clutch retainer bearing. Tighten the 4 bolts to clutch retainer bearing. With torque 55 to 65 Newton meter. Apply Kluber grease L140 grade from inside to allow smooth sleeve sliding. Insert main clutch sleeve housing. While assembling pin with fork on the sleeve, always apply Molykote grease to avoid rusting and friction between pin and sleeve mechanism. Always use new set of roll pins during assembly. Apply Kluber grease L140 grade from inside to allow smooth sleeve sliding. Insert the main clutch fork and assembly roll pins with shaft. Insert PTO clutch sleeve housing. Always use new set of roll pins during assembling. Insert the main PTO clutch fork and assemble roll pins with shaft. Assemble main clutch thrust sleeve. Main clutch bearing. PTO clutch thrust sleeve and PTO clutch bearing as shown in the video.